Video 170, put tile click. We've added a layer and tile value to the Eddy Game Editor object. We have a conversion function that takes a layer and a tile value and packs it into U32. The tile value being 0 to 15 only requires 4 bits. The other bits of the U32, the remaining 28 bits, will be for encoding metadata. We'll get into that in the next video. Some monkey wrench macros for the tileboy functions, because I keep on screwing this up. Inside of mouse master click, we've added a section for the editor mode. We're going to store the previous click position right here, or I guess the current click position. This is a shorthand reference to the editor. We're going to extract the tile size, the layer, and the tile value. We also need the global tile X and global tile Y. We will take the layer and the tile value, and we will figure out the bit-packed U32 we need. And with that bit-packed U32, we will set it into the tile map using this function here. If we are in game mode, I do not know what to do yet, so we will yell at the user. If we end up here, that is a fatal error, and logging like we did in the previous videos. Footnote, more footnotes, and what we did in this video. You've been here. If you want me to go into more depth, you can go here. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. This has been video 170. Put tile click, like, and subscribe.